Hello world, this is Siraj. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will be unboxing GoPro Hero 8, the latest action camera which was released in October 2019. Popular action camera maker GoPro has launched its brand new setup action camera for 2019. The main one is GoPro Hero 8 Black. The big highlight in GoPro Hero 8 is Hyper Smooth 2.0, which promises even smoother video compared to Hero 7 Black. And there are new frameless design with mounting fingers, and we can add mod as well. This time GoPro did not launch GoPro Hero 8 Silver or GoPro Hero 8 White version of the camera like it last year. Come on guys, let's unbox GoPro Hero 8.
Here's the pack. I ordered this from Dara's website. Here's the seller information camera hub, one of the leading action camera sellers in Sri Lanka. I added all necessary details below in the descriptions of this video. You can check it out if you have an idea to go further. And the packaging is looking quite good. I can feel the bubble papers inside, and the delivery also pretty well. It took about 3 working days. I'm delighted to unbox this GoPro Hero 8. Let's check. Here we have here they're packed, covered with bubbles papers. Here we have a slip tape. Here's the pack. We have here the accessories to be checked and the GoPro applications, and here we have the bunch of features of GoPro Hero 8. Here this time they have 12 megapixel digital lenses, offer multiple field of view settings. For example, you can have super view, linear, wide and narrow view, so that is quite good features. And also you can have a 4K video footages at 60 frame per second or a 1080p at the 240 frame per second set up to 10 Mbps bitrate. And also you can capture preset for popular types of recording with the ability to create and save your own. So that's pretty good features of GoPro Hero 8. And also you can have slow motions at 8 times. So this is pretty much welcome features on GoPro Hero 8. It's worth mentioning the Hyper Smooth 2.0 is available for all resolutions and frame rates, which was not the case in GoPro Hero 7. And radical enhancement to Hyper Smooth 2.0 now has multiple levels of stabilization, in even better image stabilization in Hyper Smooth 2.0. And we have another feature, Time Wrap 2.0 in GoPro Hero 8. Get the strange time wrap effect you'll love now with the automatic speed selections. You can just tap to speed up, or you can tap it to slow down the speed in the upgraded time wrap features with the auto mode that use sensor to detect motions and adjust the recording speed. You can have live streaming at 1080p, and we have another feature, live burst. Live burst mode capture 1.5 seconds before and after you hit the shutter button in GoPro Hero 8, so you can pick up the perfect shot from 90 still image, or you can share a 3-second 4K video clip in your choices. And we have another bunch of features in GoPro Hero 8 is super photo with improved HDR. GoPro Hero 8, the maverick of the contrast, kill the blur and noises, and you can have unbeatable action shots with a detail you never thought possible in this GoPro Hero 8. And you can capture the raw images. And in GoPro Hero 8 we have built-in mounting pins which negates the needs for frame to connect the camera to accessories. And also GoPro continues a voice control touch display and waterproof with a built-in GPS and motion sensor. Let's have a front side view. GoPro Hero 8 Black is really looking rocky and waterproof. When you want to play in a bumpy or muddy environment, GoPro Hero 8 Black is always a game. Plus it's completely waterproof for down to 33 feet. Here you can see the hard plastic cover attached with this cardboard case. Let's open the box. Here we have the blue strap sealed. Let's open. Here we have the camera. The biggest change to the physical design of the camera this year can now be mounted to any GoPro mount on its own without housing of any kind. GoPro took two mounting fingers slots into the company mounts and integrated them into the body, so you don't want any hard casing for the mounting. Here we have the thumb screw. Let's unscrew this. Now we have this camera here. Here we have the rest of the part, and we have to untap this and push, and you can remove this one. Actually this is for the shipping purpose, and we can unremove this, and they said you can remove this, but you can use this for the table mount. You can use this one as for a table mount, and we can set up like this, and we can have a nice video by using this table mount. Okay guys, let's check out one by one. Here we have the camera and battery and mount and a thumb screw and charging cable. So let's check one by one. USB Type-C charging cable and one sticky mount. This time they have given a little curvy mount, and GoPro Hero 8 battery. GoPro Hero 8 battery, you can see the blue stripe in the bottom, in the same shape and capacity, but is more powerful. The new camera can draw power out the new battery at faster rate in order to help with some of the most intense shooting modes. But you can use GoPro Hero 5, Hero 6 and 7 battery in this GoPro Hero 8. But some people are talking that you need to have a GoPro Hero 8 battery for full features access, but I am not agree 100%. Let's take a look at the body of GoPro Hero 8 comparing with GoPro Hero 7 Black. I can notice there are some big changes in GoPro Hero 8 versions. First one is the lens. Non-removable lens cover that twice as strong as previous ones, but if you ask me, this is a disappointing change because when you're going to shoot such adventure situations, the GoPro may damage and you have to replace the whole camera. But it was removable in GoPro Hero 7 Black, and you can change the lens by paying 5,000 rupees. As a solution, I suggest you to have a tempered glass over the cover over the body to protect from such conditions. The second big change in GoPro Hero 8 is built-in mounting pins. This is welcome change by GoPro Hero 8 because you don't need any third-party mounting pins to mount, and you can use the GoPro original finger mounts. Also, it can be replaced if anything happens. The third one is the battery. The battery is now located in the side here. You need to pull down to open the battery case. Here we can see the red stripe is pretty good. You can easily notice it is open. If you can see the red stripe, then it is kind of visible notifications to protect from such conditions. Battery, memory card slots, charging port are in one door, and you can remove these as well. But one negative point is you have to keep open the door if you want to charge, otherwise you have to buy the third-party door which will have the USB-C type cutout. Here they have a protective film for shipping purpose. I'm going to remove this. The camera, and here we have the power button. Let's turn on. And kind of a setup. I'm going to prefer English by using this GoPro. I agree to the term of use available at GoPro. Terms and conditions, yes. And GPS on. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. So I'm going to connect my mobile phone, the GoPro applications here. Find my camera, enable, access the GPS. And we found your GoPro. Connect. This connection successful. I'm going to give my name here, SHIREJ GoPro. Yes, and save new name, and let's go. And here we have terms and condition to agree, and wait for the camera. Control your GoPro. I'm going to connect the camera application here, and update the camera. I don't want the updates. Let's give the date. So here I have the camera. You can move around on settings and preference, general settings. And you can set the time here and date here.
A collection of mod accessories which make the camera even more usable and user friendly. The mod for the Hero 8 will be available from December 2019. The camera can now be used for professional vlogging too, as the media mod features a built-in shotgun microphone and 2 call shoe mod for a secondary display and LED fill light. The display mode is external 1.9-inch display which can fall front or back. The light mode is waterproof up to 10 meter and helps brighten the scenes or your face when vlogging in low light. Time will tell you how good Hero 8.
Powering off.
This is just an unboxing and setup video. I will be able to post the review video with real footages. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the ring bell and you will get notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much guys. See you all in the next video. Bye.